Interested in enabling dark mode on Snapchat? Follow this simple tutorial until the end, where I'll guide you through the process step by step. If you're tired of the light theme and white background on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Firstly, ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, and if there's an update option available for Snapchat, click on it to ensure you have the latest features, including dark mode. Once the app is updated, open Snapchat and tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. From your Snapchat profile, tap on the Settings button at the top right corner. In the Snapchat settings, scroll down until you find the App Appearance option and tap on it. Here you'll encounter 3 different options. Match System enable this option, and Snapchat will adjust its theme based on your device's theme. If you have dark mode enabled on your iPhone or Android device, Snapchat will also switch to dark mode. Dark mode: if you want to permanently enable dark mode on Snapchat, simply select this option. Snapchat will remain in dark mode regardless of your device's theme settings. After selecting your preferred option, Snapchat will now display in dark mode accordingly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.